Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to Develop AI. So, in this video, we are going to solve eradicating sensitive data with the DLP API. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe Develop AI for more solutions on cloud as well as AI. So now, guys, as if I'm getting the views in my channel, but not getting the subscribers. So many views are streaming in my channel, but not as subscribers. So please support me, guys, and motivate me on develop AI, guys. So, guys, in this video, just we need to start the lab and spend at least 5 minutes in this lab. So there is no more working here, so just start the lab here. So click on the start the lab and just follow these 5 minutes in your lab. So cars, right, this this very. So just spend the 5 minutes here and there, and then our lab will be easily solved. So make sure that at least spend the 5 minutes in this, so until you get a green tick here. So so just spend the 5 minutes and your lab will be get executed. So there is no more check my progress in this lab. So, guys, make sure that please like and subscribe the channel for more updates on develop.ai, guys. And please don't forget to spend at least 5 to 6 minutes in this lab, so you will get a green tick of this lab of completion. So all the best, guys. Let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.